Welcome to another view. Today we are going to walk along the River Thames. It's summertime and you will see lots of people walking by, shopping, eating, enjoying the weather next to the River Thames. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like it, share it out. I'm trying to get to 10k subscribers. I'm almost there. So I appreciate you subscribing to the channel. As you can see right in front of me, there is a tennis court, which is something new. First time seeing it. So this is what they have placed there. So if you're in summer and you're in London and you enjoy tennis, you can come here and play a game, which is nice, very interesting. As you can see, lots of people are there enjoying themselves with their family. And again, the weather is beautiful today. So there is no reason why you shouldn't come out and walk through London, because in the next 2 months, this place will be cold and you will no longer see people with their shorts on, their vests. It will all be puffer jackets. So we're almost on the River Thames border. Alright, look at this beautiful view, guys, of the tallest buildings in the city. Thousands and thousands of tourists come out here every single day. It's beautiful. And also very crowded, as you guys can see. Getting through here sometimes is so difficult. Let me know in the comment section below where you guys viewing this video from. Earlier I was doing a live stream and I got a few people from Australia, and they were saying that it's cold in Australia right now, but look at the weather in London. It's very, very beautiful. Everyone is just enjoying sitting and eating and with their families. This is very nice. Very nice. Although some people say London is shit. Most of the people staying outside of London say London is shit. I don't know why. If you're watching this video and you live in the UK but outside London, let me know why most of you guys are saying that London is shit. It's crazy. Lots and lots of people. I will go up here and walk across so you guys can see the crowd from a different view. This is a lot of people. There's this nice place next to the river. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. You can get pizza, ice cream, cocktails and mocktails. As you can see on the side here, you have a few food carts of all different types of food, from Asian, Indian, all types. So when you come here, you can get the food that you enjoy from back home. It's so busy. It's crazy. So busy.
وصلي الشرف الجودة يا وقومي يعني.
So I'm gonna go on top here and show you the view from on top. You're gonna like it. It's nice. And then I'm gonna take you inside this bar so you can see exactly what it looks like from on top. So this is the bar I was telling you about. The name is on there. It's the Glass Terrace. It's beautiful up there, so you can come down here and have pizza, as I said earlier. You can have drinks, cocktails, mocktails. Bring the family. See amount of people gathering around here. It's great. So we are going to go back down, and then I will do a live video after this. I'm gonna go live after this video. So after I upload this video to YouTube, I will do a live stream. Yes, the amount of people that's there is literally crazy, guys. Earlier, there were people running through here very freely, but now I don't think they can. So this is what it looks like on the ground. Very nice. People travel from all around the world to come here to see the Tower Bridge. See, people are enjoying themselves inside here. It's very nice. I'll probably go on top, but look how busy the River Thames is. So you have the Uber boats and the different boats having a tour of the River Thames, and also on there you have parties going on. Yes, the place is packed, super packed with people. So this is where you're gonna get some pizza and drinks while you're there. So this is what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Have an enjoyable day, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.